Hello guys, welcome to CloudRaga. So in previous video we saw how to perform that CRUD operation, the create operation by using save method. So we used for loop to insert these 10 records. So we just created our dummy values and that's here. Let's try to do some operations, other operations. So just to make that simpler, I will comment this out, otherwise it will again create 10 more records. And you guys can see I'm not keeping ID here. That gets auto generated 1 2 3 till 10. Okay, so this was create or insert record, create or create record or insert record in database by using save method. Next we will see the read operation, how to read any specific record. So again that's quite simple, you just need to know method and that will be done. The method name is get, so that method will be run by the session dot get and get. So you can see there are lots of methods out there, so you have to make sure that you are picking from right ID. So you have to pick this one. So here you have to tell that which object type you want to search, or let's use the simpler one, get for now, which takes only this one, first one. So here we have to tell that we are looking for employee class, so employee dot class, and what's your primary key. So I want to fetch id 5. Done. This get method returns object type, so if you need to cast it, sorry, if I want to save this, I have to cast it sometimes. So get method returns t type, generic, so it's fine, we don't need to cast it here. And then what, we can print it. How? Just use this out, then say employee dot get, let's say I want to check employee name. So at id 5, this is a row, so it should return employee number, employee name 5, and employee name is this. Okay, so let's run this code and see what happens. So executing the code, and there we go. So you guys can see, as soon as I execute this get method, Hibernate triggers a select query and it returns a name, employee name 5. So that's how we can read data from Hibernate by using the get method. In next video we will see update and delete method. Thanks for watching this video guys. Bye bye.